Good day, sir. Good day, Cadet. I, Cadet Midshipman Torres Chester. I reporting about Regulation 131 to 39. Regulation 3139 within Annex I provide detailed guidelines for the construction and equipment of oil tankers. The short report will provide an overview of this regulation and their significance in ensuring maritime safety and environmental protection. Regulation 31 General General outlines. Regulation 31 outlines the general requirements for oil tanker, emphasizing safe construction and equipment to prevent oil pollution. It addresses issues such as ship stability, structural integrity, and use of non-toxic coatings and ballast tanks. Regulation 32 Double hulls. This regulation requires new oil tankers of a certain size to have double hulls, a significant measure to reduce the risk of oil spills in the event of collision or grounding. Regulation 33 Prevention of oil pollution from fuel oil. Regulation 33 focuses on preventing oil pollution from the use of fuel oil. It provides guidelines for fuel oil, the quality, handling, and operation, reducing the discharge of harmful substances into the environment. Regulation 34 Oil filtering equipment. This regulation mandates the installation of and maintenance of effective oil filtering equipment on board oil tankers, ensuring the cleanliness of discharge of ballast waters. Regulation 35 Testing, inspection, and maintenance. Regulation 35 covers the regular testing, inspection, and maintenance of oil tanker equipment to ensure compliance with safety, pollution prevention, and standards. Regulation 36 Pumping, piping, and unloading arrangement. This regulation specifies requirements for pumping and piping system, emphasizing leak prevention and efficient oil unloading arrangement. Regulation 37 Oil discharge monitoring and control system. Regulation 37 mandates the use of an oil discharge monitoring and control system on board oil tankers to record and report oil discharge data, enhancing transparency and accountability. Regulation 38 Control of discharge of oil. This regulation details the condition under which oil may be discharged from oil tankers, emphasizing the need of prior notification and adherence to specific discharge criteria. Regulation 39 Slab tanks. Regulation 39 pertains to slab tanks on oil tankers, requiring their proper construction, maintenance to prevent oil pollution through the disposal of residues. Thank you, sir. That's all.